Hello everyone, today we are here to learn about timber. So what exactly is timber is? Timber is wood. So for layman, timber and wood are the same, but if I talk about in the engineering background, timber is a subset of wood. So if we say we have 100 rupees and 100 rupees is wood, so part of 100 rupees, maybe like 50, 40, which can be used in engineering purpose is called timber. What is wood? The property is it is hard and fibrous. Major part of the tree, that is the trunk and the branches, are comprised of wood. We all know this. So as I said, timber is what exactly is used in engineering purpose. How do we classify trees? Mainly into two, exogenous and endogenous. So what is exogenous? Exogenous is the tree which like grows outwards, and endogenous is which grow inwards. So you must, for example, if I would specify like banyan tree which grows outwards, and this that is endogenous is jute. So exogenous is further divided into two types of trees, that is conifers and deciduous. First of all, let me tell you something about exogenous. As I already said, it grows outwards, and and it has something which is called annual rings. Now what exactly is an annual ring? If you cut the cross-section area of the trunk, you will see some circular rings across. These are distinct annual rings in case of exogenous trees. You can see that. And the rings, what exactly is a ring? These are called annual rings because they specify the age of the tree and they grow on annual basis. So the type of tree, that is exogenous tree, is normally used for engineering purpose. Now we'll be talking about conifers and deciduous. Okay, so as I said, conifers and deciduous are two parts of exogenous trees. What are conifers? They are evergreen trees. So what do you mean by evergreen trees? It means that it will blossom or it can grow anytime in the year, irrespective of the season. And then these have pointed needles. So when you say that the leaf is like this, the leaf is a bit pointed and show distinct annual rings because it is a part of exogenous trees. What exactly the wood which has been yielded? What exactly is yield wood? It is actually means the wood which we get off from conifer trees. It has straight fibers. It is soft, light in color, light in weight, and resinous. It also has low density because when it is light in weight, light in color, and soft, it would have low density. Now let's talk about deciduous trees. It's like broad leaf tree, not evergreen, do not show distinct annual rings, and it is usually close grained. It is strong, it is heavy, dark colored, durable, and non-resinous. Now let's talk about what exactly are endogenous trees. As I already said, endogenous trees are those trees which grow inwards. They have fibrous mass on the longitudinal sections. Just like when you see jute or bamboo, they have fibrous mass on the longitudinal. This is been separated as a horizontal direction is referred to as latitude, and the vertical direction is referred to as longitude. They have very limited applications on engineering purpose, mainly for aesthetic purpose or maybe design, but then they don't have really they are not really good with strength. Then softwood and hardwood. As I already said about conifers, they are soft. So this probably means if I talk about the properties of softwood, it would mean conifers. And if I talk about properties of hardwood, because it is strong, heavy, and dark, it would be deciduous. So let's just go through it. Colors: light color, dark color, already discussed. Annual rings, they are distinct annual rings. It doesn't have distinct annual rings. Density is low, it is high. Strength: along the grains of the light. So when I say along the grains, it means in the latitude, and along and across the grains, heavy. So the grains could be longitudinal or maybe latitudinal. Latitudinal or maybe longitudinal, that is along. It is conifers and it is deciduous. So now I'll be putting this structure of wood in the second part of the video. Please do look, check the video and give it a thumbs up, and do refer and give a sincere comment for better modifications. Thank you.